So good day. I am Giselle Perot, and today I'm gonna be explaining the activity number two for the semi-finals. So this activity is the continuation from the previous activity. So first, this part here. So this is to the first part here, from Django shortcuts input. So the render here is to renders an HTML na template with the context na data. And then the redirect here is the redirects to another na URL after an action like from submission and etc. And then the get object or 404 here. So this is to retrieve an object from the database or shows 404 error if it doesn't exist. And then the student here. So this is the database model representing a student. Then the student form here is a Django form based on the student model for the input validation. And then the first function here, so it fetches all students from the database and then passes them to the template student list that HTML. Then here passes them here. And then the next is the function create student. So this function here is to check if the form is submitted via post. So here, and then also if valid, um, it saves the new student to the database, and then redirects back to the student list after saving. And then if the request is get, then displays an empty form from the user. And then the next function, the student update. So this function retrieves a student by primary key or PK or returns the 404 if not found. Then also pre-fills the form with the existing student data. Then saves also saves the changes. The form is valid and also redirects to the student list after re-uploading, after updating, I mean. And then the last function, the student delete. So this function retrieves the student by PK here. And then also if the user confirms deletion by via post, so um, deletes the it deletes the student form from the database. Then also shows a confirmation page that the student confirm deletes HTML before deleting. And then that's all. So here's the HTML files. So to run this template, so we should run server here in the command prompt. So as you can see, um, I did run the server here. Then after running the server, you can search. If you will search this in the browser, and then after that, so here's the browser. As you can see, we have the student list, attendance list, the names here. So if we edit an student, if we add first, um, Josh, last name, um, Josh 2, email, Josh gmail.com, first, this attendance date, 53, 6, then we'll save. And as you can see, it prints here. If also we delete and delete it or edit, so we gotta do the edit first. So we editing the curse into BSCS and then save. So you can see it changes into BSCS. Then if we delete it, so it prints the are you sure you want to delete George? Then you can cancel that or you can just delete it. Then yes, delete. Then it will delete it then. And that's all for the activity.